Let's practice products of fractions. So what fraction is 3/4 of 1/2? Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take a half. So here, this is already divided nicely into halves. We're going to take a half. All right, now we want 3/4 of it. How do we do that? Now, we can't just divide our 1/2 into quarters. We have to divide the whole thing into quarters. So what we're going to do is well, it's easier to divide into quarters if you split it in half first and then divide each of those halves into halves. So there we go. Now I've divided the whole shape into quarters. So each one is in a row, right? There's 4 rows. Now, because I've already taken a half, I've also made eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on either side of the divided line down the middle. Now, I have my half over here, right? This square. Now I want 3/4 of it. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So I'm going to take 3 of them. So there's 3/4 of 1/2. Now let's see what fraction that is in regards to the whole shape. Well, how many sections did we say we made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many of them do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I can rewrite 3/4 of 1/2 as 3/4 times 1/2. And what was the answer that I got? 3 out of 8. Now, is this in simplest form? It is if 3 and 8 don't divide by anything else other than 1. And that is true. So this is in simplest form. So 3/4 of 1/2 is 3/8.